Plant Parenthood just got an upgrade. Meet the 7-tier indoor plant stand with grow lights. You love your plants, but let's be real, finding enough space and light for all of them is a struggle. Windowsills are overcrowded, shelves are full, and that dimly lit corner? A death sentence for greenery. Enter the 7-tier indoor plant stand with grow lights, the perfect way to showcase your plants while them thriving. No more fighting for sunlight or cluttering your space. With adjustable grow lights and a space-saving vertical design, this plant stand turns any room into a lush, stylish indoor garden. Your plants get the VIP treatment, and your home gets an instant aesthetic upgrade. Not all light is created equal, and your plants deserve the best. Unlike ordinary plant stands, this one comes equipped with 2 powerful grow lights featuring 10 brightness levels and customizable timers, 3, 9, or 12 hours. Whether your leafy friends need a sun-kissed glow or gentle evening warmth, you can set it and forget it. No more droopy leaves or stunted growth, your plants get optimal lighting, even in the darkest corners. Plus, the built-in safety straps ensure stability, so even in a home with pets or kids, your green sanctuary stays safe and secure. Cheap, flimsy plant stands? No thanks. This sturdy 7-tier stand is crafted from 0.8-inch thick alloy steel pipes and 12mm durable particle board, coated with anti-rust paint and a waterproof finish. Translation? Long-lasting durability that withstands moisture, weight, and time. Unlike other stands that warp, rust, or break after a few months, this one is designed to be your plant display for years to come. It holds pots of various sizes, so you can proudly showcase everything from succulents to large ferns, all in one elegant, space-saving structure. No one likes complicated assembly, and this plant stand gets it. That's why it comes with easy-to-follow instructions and all necessary tools, so you can set it up in minutes. No drilling disasters, no frustration, just a quick, hassle-free build that lets you focus on what really matters, enjoying your thriving indoor jungle. Plus, at just 6.65 kilograms, it's lightweight yet stable, making it easy to move and rearrange. Whether you want it in the living room, balcony, patio, or bedroom, it's a perfect fit anywhere. Looking for the perfect gift for a plant lover? This stylish, functional, and innovative plant stand is guaranteed to impress. Whether it's a birthday, housewarming, or holiday surprise, this elegant indoor garden stand brings joy to anyone who loves plants. With premium construction, customizable grow lights, and a sleek modern design, it's a must-have upgrade for both beginner and seasoned plant parents. Ready to give your plants and your home the upgrade they deserve? Don't wait, bring home the 7-tier plant stand with grow lights today and watch your green paradise flourish.